Now use computer USB to bring Meshcore. The first step is to get Meshtiny into the FU mode. Long press the side button. Hold down. Then turn it on here. Release the side button after booting. Then connect the data cable. Enter USB DFU mode. Go to Meshtiny's building website. We choose Meshcore. Version default. Click to enter DFU mode. Wait till the facade and click Connect USB serial port. Click to start burning. Waiting to burn. After burning is completed, long press the side button. Device enters Meshcore interface.